This 2025 Winnebago Access 26RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features a Santorini interior, sleep 6, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, oven, LP detector, awning, water heater, skylight, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Access 26RL is 6,454 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.